Artificial intelligence or AI is a term that has gained immense popularity in recent years. It refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. But the concept of AI has been around for several decades and it has evolved significantly since its inception. In this video, we'll explore the evolution of artificial intelligence from its early research days to its modern applications in industry and society. Early AI research. The concept of AI dates back to the 1950s when computer scientists began to explore the possibility of creating machines that could think and learn like humans. At that time, AI was focused on rule based systems that could perform specific tasks such as playing chess or solving mathematical problems. However, these early AI systems were limited by their lack of ability to learn from experience and they could not adapt to new situations. Machine learning. The development of machine learning in the 1980s marked a major turning point in the evolution of AI. Machine learning refers to the ability of machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. This allowed AI systems to become more adaptable and flexible as they could learn from their experiences and make better decisions. Neural networks. Another major breakthrough in AI came with the development of neural networks in the 1990s. Neural networks are computer systems that are modeled after the human brain with interconnected nodes that can process information and make decisions. This allowed AI systems to become even more intelligent as they could simulate human thinking and decision making processes. Deep learning. The development of deep learning in the 2010s marked a significant milestone in the evolution of AI. Deep learning refers to the use of neural networks with many layers, allowing AI systems to process vast amounts of data and learn complex patterns. This has led to major advances in AI applications such as image and speech recognition, neural language processing, and autonomous driving. Modern AI applications. Today, AI is used in a wide range of industries and applications, from healthcare and finances to manufacturing and transportation. AI systems are used to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance the customer experience. For example, AI powered chatbots can provide instant customer support, while AI algorithms can help doctors diagnose and treat diseases more accurately. AI is also being used to tackle some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. AI systems are being developed to monitor environmental data and predict natural disasters, while AI powered financial systems can help people in developing countries access loans and financial services. In conclusion, the evolution of artificial intelligence has been a fascinating journey from its early research days to its modern applications in industry and society. As AI technology continues to advance, it is likely that we will see even more amazing applications in the future. Whether it's improving our lives, solving complex problems, or advancing human knowledge, AI has the potential to transform our world in countless ways. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. Please like the video, comment on it and share the video, and also please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to to stay updated with the technology world.